Welcome to Learning with Lisa. Let's do some Easter phonics. Rosie Rabbit needs your help to put the little plastic toys into the Easter eggs. She has also left her carrots lying around in the factory. I need you to try to find them for her. Rosie Rabbit needs a toy that starts with F. Which one should she choose? Lion, flag, frog. Yes, she needs the flag. Flag. Help Charlie Chick write the label for flag. Use your phony fingers to help. Are you ready? F-L-A-G. Flag. Well done. Rosie now needs a toy that starts with a K. Which one should she choose? Clock, slug, crab. Yes, she needs the clock. Clock. Help Charlie write the label for clock. Ready? Clock. Fantastic. Rosie now needs a toy that starts with a S. Which one is it? Frog, skate, star. That's right, it's the star. Star. Which letters does Charlie need this time? S, T, R. Star. Well done. Let's help Rosie find the toy that starts with a K. Should she choose zebra, crab, clipboard? She needs the crab. Crab. Help Charlie write the word crab. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. K-R-A-B. Crab. Well done. The next toy Rosie needs ends with lt. Which one shall we choose? Belt, tent, crab. Yes, we need the belt. Help Charlie write the word belt. Are you ready to use your phoneme fingers? B-E-L-T. Belt. Fantastic. The next toy Rosie needs ends with a nt. Which one shall we choose? sand, butterfly, tent. That's right, we need the tent. Can you tell Charlie how to write the word tent? Ready? T-E-N-T. Tent. Super. Rosie's next toy ends with the sound M. What shall we choose? Lamp, turtle, paint. Yes, there is a M in lamp. Help Charlie write the word lamp. Use your phoneme fingers to help. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Wonderful. The last toy Rosie needs ends with the sound mt. What shall we choose? Stamp, paint, monkey. Yes, Rosie needs the paint. Help Charlie write the word paint. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. Are you ready? P-A-N-T. Paint. Fantastic. Charlie needs to check the Easter egg list to make sure everything has been put into the eggs. Read the words with him. F-L-A-G. Flag. K-L-O-K. Clock. S-T-A. Star. Crab. Crab. Belt. Belt. Tent. Tent. Lamp. Lamp. Paint. Paint. Rosie and Charlie are now ready to deliver all the Easter eggs. Thank you for your help. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, bye bye for now. Bye.